cannot believe we're on part 7, but we're just going to keep going until it gets done. Then we have this textured cupcake puppet, which has cupcake on it. In one of the parts I said I don't have many textured puppets, but I actually have a ton. I just didn't think about it. Then I have these two, which are both textured, and they took pictures of what they are on it. And I have this bouncy ball. And I have this poppet ball. And I have this crab poppet. And I have this infinity cube. I have this bouncy ball and a spike ball. I have another spike ball, just bigger. I have this blow bubble pet. This one's been getting hard to blow. Like stretch it out. I'm gonna step on it, see if it blows. With all my weight on it, it doesn't even blow. It used to be really good, but now it's kind of hard to get the bubble to blow, but it works. Okay, and we have this, just filled with flour. It's homemade. This banana filled with sand. Then get it back to its shape pretty easily. Really like this. I don't know why it's in a container, but a pink spike ball. A little frisbee thingy. Some slime. Go to the bottom of the thing. I have this little fidget spinner that's so big it's hard to spin with these little pops. It's a poppet bracelet and a textured diamond poppet. And why is there some stickers on? I have to put that in my little bin with the stickers. I have, oh my cat's scared me, a mini pop tube and a fidget spinner money thingy. Oh, here's 2 putties down here. I have bubblegum and berry vanilla, not vanilla. Almost like to the bottom. Handle. Have this little barrel puzzle thing, this little puzzle ball, and a present. A poppet bracelet. Well, that's not fine. A slime my friend made me. A little rose poppet. One of these little flippy thingies. This shouldn't be in here. 2 little sticky hands that I got from the claw machine. This squishy unicorn. Another one of those fidget spinner poppets. This little stretchy thingy. Oh, I do not want to do more of this. Oh my gosh. A spike ball. This homemade fidget thingy. And this rubber mesh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is lasting. Literally. Little thing we take. Rocket ship dimple. This squishy heart. Oh, here are the dice for my poppet game. Gobble. Spread them to the bottom. A planet dimple. Sorry. It's so many of these and I do not want to do anymore. This is part 7. And I just have